Hi, people have been asking how to create a pie chart in Google Sheets. So let's start by going to your homepage of Google, clicking on up here and going for Sheets. You can pick any kind of general sheet you want. So I just starting a new spreadsheet, nothing fancy here. I'm going to plan a party. And so for a party here, I'm going to type in here item, whoops, and price. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to put in cups for my party, and I don't know, those cups are $4. And then I'm going to put in party hats, got to have those, and those are 750. And then I'm going to have, well, you need some soda, and the soda is going to be $8.25. And then finally you need a cake, right? And the cake is $15. So once I have those and I want to make a chart, I can highlight all of those and I go to insert, go down and I want to do a chart. Now it may automatically do a pie chart for you. If it doesn't, that's not the kind of chart I want. I come over here, look for pie chart, and in it comes. You can see that I have the labels already in there. It also gives the percents. There are ways of editing this chart to get more information on it. If it's covering up my information, I can also move this. I'm going to make it smaller, first of all, and you can have it there and move it to wherever you want. That is all you need to know. So good luck with that.